Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect a Victrix controller to a Cronus Zen. First, ensure your Cronus Zen firmware is fully updated to the very latest version for optimal compatibility and performance. Next, connect your Cronus Zen device directly to your personal computer using the provided mini USB cable. Once connected, launch the Zen Studio software on your computer to begin the configuration process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection. Now, take your Victrix controller and connect it to the one USB port located on the Cronus Zen. It is highly recommended to use the official Victrix USB cable to ensure a stable and reliable connection, preventing any potential data transfer issues. After connecting, open Zen Studio and confirm that the software successfully recognizes your Victrix controller. This step confirms the physical connection is established correctly. With your controller connected, navigate to the Device tab within the Zen Studio software. Here, you will need to select the correct controller protocol that corresponds to your specific Victrix controller model. This ensures proper communication between the controller and the Cronus Zen. Once selected, remember to save your entire configuration directly to the Cronus Zen device. This step is vital for the settings to take effect. Finally, connect your Cronus Zen with the Victrix controller attached to your desired gaming console or personal computer. Thoroughly test all controller functions, including buttons, joysticks, and triggers, to ensure everything operates as expected. If you encounter any issues, first recheck all physical cable connections. Then, revisit your settings within Zen Studio to confirm the correct protocol and configuration are applied. Patience is key here.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.